goddess of the garden, she takes him for a in the garden. Good morning, boys. Now let me ask you, till where did we do yesterday? Can anyone tell me? So saying Shakambari started walking up towards the tomato patch. Did we read about the tomato patch? Did we read about the tomato patch? Boys, I'm asking you a question.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. So did we read about the
Yes,
potatoes?
ma'am.
About the potatoes also? Did we read about the next patch that was potatoes? Okay, so let me tell you that you remember that I'll just to remind you what we did yesterday. That Gunduram was a very foodie boy. Like he used to love food anytime. He was always thinking of tasting new things and of the delicious dishes of the different things. And he was very lethargic, very lazy. So even parents also were telling, mother was constantly telling him, you have to should go out for a walk, you should take some exercise, but he never used to listen. Always used to play video games and eat fried food like chips and samosas and all these things. Okay. And one day the mother forced, even the teachers were complaining that he's very sluggish, he's very slow, he's not writing properly, and he's not at all active. So one day the mother thought that what the teachers are saying is correct, and she also knew that it was not good for Gunduram. So she told Gunduram that you today, whatever happens, you have to go for a walk. So Gunduram made a glum face, means he didn't want to go because he was forced to, but he still goes to the outside the house. And outside the house there was so much of green plants and fruits and all that, plants and all that. So he was just going there, and on the way he sat down somewhere because he was not interested in going walking and all that. He sat in the garden. Suddenly who comes? The god, goddess of the garden. She comes. She is green in color, and she has worn ornaments of vegetables and fruits. And so one day, like, do you remember all this what I told you yesterday, boys?
Yes.
Yes. And then what is that lady's name? She is her name, the goddess name. Her goddess name is Shakambari. Okay. And Shakambari tells us, see, I've got so many friends who will help you to become active and to reduce your weight and to eat healthy food. So he has some hope. And she says that you come along with me. I will introduce to the friends. So she first takes him to a patch where tomatoes are growing. So all the tomatoes see him and they say, "Hi, Gundu," and they are very happy, like to speak to Gundu. So they tell Gundu that we have got, we have got vitamin A, B, and C also in us. It is very good for cough, cold. Okay, and so you should have this, and now, after meeting the patch of tomatoes, they come to the patch of empty ground, that the empty patch. Now, I want somebody to read from here.
And I will say the name.
Yes, please say the name.
Sadi Ane.
Yes, please say who is that name? Who is
Sadi
that
Ane.
person?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
start. Yes, start reading better fast.
Ma'am, first next
Ha,
thing.
next they crossed.
Next, they crossed a path that looked empty. Somebody said this too is a Vijay page. You might
Veggie patch.
think it is empty. Veggie page, you might think it is empty, but there are potatoes under the ground. Suddenly, Gundu has the potatoes speak. Hi, Gundu, they called out. Everyone loves us, but most people make a mistake. They like us friends, but no one realizes that we know there is much of the good in and can, however, when we are
Uh,
lower,
One second. Who else? mic is mute. Unmute, beta. Mute your mics except the boy who's reading. Yes, beta. Continue.
We have lots of
Continue.
promising
Potassium,
calcium,
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 calcium, iron, iodine.
iron, iodine, vitamins, and many more good things. Gundu felt ahead. He had eaten so many potatoes, but he had missed all the good in
In
them.
them.
In them, he told them, "From now on, I will eat you in the right way." Bidding the potatoes goodbye, Shakambari led him further and
To the pumpkin
further
patch.
to the pumpkin patch.
Pumpkin patch. Okay, beta.
Pumpkin
Thank you.
patch.
Let me explain first. Okay. Thank you, beta. So let me explain. So now, next they crossed. So first they first went to the potato patch, and the potatoes said hi to Gundu, and they explained the good qualities they had. Okay, so oh my, okay, so and he told he was also told by the potatoes that see we can be eaten as salads, we can be eaten added in curries, we can be made juices and also had, we can add in juices or we can have tomato juices. Next they crossed a path that looked very empty, so then when next they went to another patch of ground, and there it was all empty, but Shakambari said this too is a veggie patch. Veggie patch means a vegetable patch. You might think it's empty, but there are potatoes on the ground. So you must be thinking that there is nothing growing here, but actually potatoes are growing underground. All of you all must be knowing that they are growing underground. Okay. Suddenly Gundu heard the potatoes speak. So potatoes started speaking. Hi Gundu, they called out. Everyone loves us, but most people, so everyone loves. Sorry, what's happening here? Okay, everyone loves us, but most people make a mistake. They like us fried. Why I'm getting the sound? Okay, so suddenly like the potato said hi Gundu, and they called out, everyone loves us, but most people make a mistake. So who doesn't love potatoes? Everybody loves potatoes. Sona, some beeping sound is coming. Hello, somebody's mic is on.
हाँ
Everybody,
मैम
please
yes,
make mic चल रहा है nicely. Mic mute करो बेटा. Somebody's mic is on. Please mute it. किसका mic on है? मेरा छोड़ के किसका mic on है? Whose mic is on?
मैम किसी का नहीं है, आपकी माइक में से आवाज आ रही है मैम।
तो मेरा में क्यों ऐसा साउंड आ रहा है? आपको आ रहा है साउंड?
हाँ यस आ रहा है मैम।
It's going on. The beep 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 is going on.
यस
Anyway,
मोबाइल
doesn't
की
matter.
रिंग कर रही है,
Huh?
आवाज कर रहा है।
Huh? What?
मोबाइल की रिंग
No,
मोबाइल
but
की
I don't.
रिंग होती है ना।
Okay, beta. Okay, let me continue with we'll not bother about the sound. Okay, so Gundu heard the potato speak. Hi, Gundu, they called out. Everyone loves us. So, everybody, all of us, I know, you, me, everybody loves potatoes, isn't it? We all love potatoes? Yes or no? We love
यस
potatoes or not?
यस
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, see, we all love potatoes. But you know what we do? What mistake we do is we always fry them, make into finger chips or thin chips. But we have it in fried form, which is not good. Even the Balaji chips and all that, we all have, actually it is not good because it is fried in oil. So the goodness of the potato is removed, if you fry it. But if you see, but whenever we are boiled or baked, we have lots of potassium. So if you boil a potato and have, or if you bake a potato and have, then you will have a lot of You will have a lot of potassium, calcium, iron, iodine, vitamin C, and many more good things. So from tomatoes, you get vitamins A, B, and C. Okay, and it helps in cough, cold. Okay, and fever and all that. In potatoes, we get what? Potassium, calcium, iron, iodine, vitamin C, and many good things. Okay, so Gundu felt bad that he all these years he had been eating potatoes, but he had missed all the good in them because he was always eating fried. So when you eat a fried potato, all the goodness of the potato goes away, removed. So he told them, from now on, I will eat you in the right way. So from now on, I will boil you or bake you in it, but I will not fry you in it. So bidding the potatoes goodbye, Shakambari led him further to the pumpkin patch. So now from tomatoes, they went to potato patch. From potato patch, they moved on to the pumpkin patch. All of you know what's a pumpkin, no? You can see the picture of the pumpkin, okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So a pump now. See, I'm reading this. Bidding the potatoes goodbye, Shakambari led him further to the pumpkin patch. A plump pumpkin spoke to him. Plump means a fat pumpkin spoke to him. Bidding means wishing. Wishing good morning like that. Now I want somebody to read fast. Who is the
And
next person?
Nurul Abbas.
Nurul Abbas, please read. Nurul,
Yes,
Nurul
ma'am.
Abbas, please read. And
Translation.
yesterday Nurul, you left in between.
क्या?
Nurul, you left. Nurul, आप बीच में छोड़ के चले गए थे. You left in the middle.
नहीं.
Okay, okay, चलो read.
Did you know that I have
Countless vitamins,
countless
vit
vitamins in me?
in me. My
My
juices
juice clear the
cleans the
stomach,
stomach
cleans the
and
stomach, and throw out the bad
fat.
fat. So if you eat me, I
Huh?
in time you
We lose
will lose your extra fat and become healthy.
healthy. Similarly,
Similarly, SSJK,
Shakambari,
Chakarberry, and
Guddu, Gundu
Budu
visited
visit all the vegetables growing in the
garden.
garden. Each had a wonderful
Tale to tell.
tale, tale to tell and some
Interesting facts.
interesting fact to share. Finally, please you would do extras
Excited,
and excited and
glowing face.
glowing face.
Shakambari
Shakambari gave him
him
a bug
a hug, not bug, a hug
hug and said to
to
him,
him.
I have to go now and help other children like you. Remind,
Remember,
remember to keep enjoying your friends for the
fields,
elders
fields,
feeds. If you remember
their
their
words
words and eat all the right kinds of food, you will
soon be
cherry goodbye.
soon be healthy and happy.
क्या मैम?
अब वो भूल गए बेटा. Soon be healthy and happy. So
Soon be
saying,
healthy and happy. So said she
waved
away a
a
cherry
chair
goodbye
and
and vanished.
vanished. Gundu
Gudu looked around and I
realized realized
realized the vegetable patch
Patches had
had
fallen silent.
all had fallen silent, but the
It
he
was no
was
long. He was no
no
longer
longer in.
alone.
भाई जाने मोहम्मद कहती हो जाने देते
Shh. Hey, come on, alone in the
alone in the garden from the day Gudu
new
know that the
veggies
vegetables, veggies and fruits very,
bore his
very his best friends
friends.
and he made
Made up his
he
mind.
made up his mind to
Eat well.
eating well.
Okay, let me
मैम ये
explain.
सब जॉइंट हो रहे हैं तो उसका नाम आ रहा है तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा था.
Okay, all of you all be quiet now. Let me explain better. Okay. Now, finally, now let me similarly now. Where did we go? Where were we? Okay, did you know that I have countless vitamins in me? So, even the pumpkin is saying that if you eat me, you'll get a lot of vitamins for your body, which is going to be good for the growth of your body. So, my juice cleans the stomach and throws out the bad fat. So, if you eat pumpkin every day, first of all, your stomach will be very clean, and moreover, you will reduce your weight also. So, if you eat me in time, you will lose extra fat and become healthy. So pumpkin is very good fruit. We should all eat it. It is good for our health. It will not only help to reduce, but it will keep our body fit because your stomach becomes clean every day. Similarly, Shakambari and Gundu visited all the vegetables growing in the garden. So Shakambari, the goddess of the garden, took Gundu to all the different patches and all the different vegetables in the garden. And each one had a wonderful tale to tell and some interesting facts to share. So each one, had some good things to share. Like if you eat me, what will happen? Okay, what are the good things that will happen if you eat this vegetable, that with all the different vegetables. Finally, pleased with Gundu's excited and glowing face, Shakambari gave him a hug and said to him, so finally Gundu was convinced, that he should eat vegetables, and eat in the proper way. So he's very excited because from he had decided from now on I'm not going to eat fried food and I'm going to eat only healthy food. So his face was glowing, shining because he had discovered that what are the vitamins, the minerals, the potassium, the calcium, whatever you get from different fruits and vegetables. So Shakambari gave him a hug, just with a hand around her. He gave him a hug and said, I have to go now and help other children like you. So the goddess of the garden, she says, give her a hug and said, see, like you, there are other children. So I have to go to them also, okay? So remember to keep enjoying your friends from the field. So she's saying that, see, today I've introduced you to so many fields, so many friends, they are the vegetables, that is tomatoes, potatoes, pumpkins, and so many other vegetables and fruits. So remember to, you know, help other, sorry, remember to keep enjoying your friends. So you should enjoy these friends, that is, eat them. And if you remember their words and eat all the right kind of food, you'll soon be healthy and happy. So, now all your friends have told you what is good about them. So, you should be healthy and happy if you eat them the way they tell you. So, saying she waved a cheery goodbye and vanished. So, she gave a cheery, remember I had taught you all the word cherry in conversation. Cherry means happy also. So, happy goodbye and vanish. Vanish means went away. Okay, disappeared. Vanish means disappeared. So, and Gundu looked around and realized that the vegetable patches had all fallen silent, but he knew that he was no longer alone in the garden. So, what he was assured, that now I know that I'm not alone in the garden. There are many friends, vegetable and fruit friends for me. And from that day, Gundu knew that the veggies and the fruits were his best friend, and he made up his mind to eat well. Okay. So from then on, much to everyone's surprise, Gundu began to enjoy vegetables in all forms: baked form, boiled, baked, curried, and raw. Curried means to use in curries. Raw means without cooking them. Okay, and baked and boiled. So he of course still enjoyed chips and chocolates like all his friends, but he ate them less than before. So now Gundu realized his mistake, that he had been doing wrong. He was not listening to his mother, he was not listening to everybody. But after meeting all the vegetable friends, the fruit friends in the garden, he realized that, I'm actually not getting anything if I'm eating fried food. So he started eating everything in the form, boiled form, baked form, in curries and raw, like in salads. And he still enjoyed chips and chocolates. Not that he gave up chips and chocolates, but he ate less compared to what he was having before. Soon he became healthy and strong, both mentally and physically, just by eating right. So if you eat the right kind of food, you become not only physically but also mentally strong. Okay, just by eating the right food. Okay, so this is written by Radhika Krishna Kumar. Writes on the value education. She is the author of Macmillan's best-selling value education series, Garden of Light. This is written by Radhika Krishna Kumar. Okay. Now, boys, what is the time, please? It is 9:16, right?
Yes.
Now, who is the captain?
Yes.
Who is the captain?
Rohan.
Today, who is the captain? Rohan. Okay, Rohan.
Rohan.
Okay, yes, Rohan. Now I'm going to ask you
Yes.
questions, and Rohan will tell me the name of the children one by one. Okay, I'm going to ask a few
Okay.
questions. Okay, now tell me the first boy's name so that I'll ask him a question.
Hussein Asar.
What better? What's the
Hussein
name?
Asar.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir,
Hussein
please.
Asar.
Yes, tell. I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
Our eating habits have no effect on health. Do you think that any eating habit you have will not affect our health?
Uh,
It will affect the health, or it will not affect the health. Suppose you
affect.
have a habit of just eating junk food. Is it good or not? It is good for the health or not good for health?
Not good.
So you agree that eating habits have no effect, or you disagree?
Disagree.
Very good. Second one, better. Next question to next boy. Tell me the name.
Hodani Muhammad Ghazi.
Mohammad Ghazi. Having too much
Yes.
sugar makes us healthy. You agree or disagree? Having too much sugar makes us healthy or unhealthy? You agree or disagree?
मैम गुजराती में या
अच्छा,
हिंदी में कौन ना
हाँ बोलो ना।
समझ नहीं है
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, एक मिनट। अगर शुगर ज्यादा खाते हो, शुगर मीन्स शक्कर जल्दी ज्यादा खाते हो, तो हम लोग हेल्दी बनते हैं।
disagree
हाँ,
disagree
डिसएग्री। वेरी गुड। नाउ जंक फूड। नेक्स्ट बॉय, नेक्स्ट बॉय, नेक्स्ट बॉय।
नंद बेटा करेला
यस बेटा, कम ऑन। जंक फूड कैन मेक अस फॉल इल। अग्री और डिसएग्री? Where is that boy, beta?
yes
Where is
ma'am
Yeah, you agree or disagree that junk food can make us fall ill?
your
Junk,
voice so breaking
junk food can make us fall ill. Agree or disagree?
disagree
Okay. Junk food can make us fall ill. आप डिसएग्री करते हो, अग्री करते हो? हाँ, जंक फूड खाने से हम लोग बीमार पड़ते हैं, हाँ के ना?
पढ़ते हैं मैम वो गलत बोला
ओके ओके ओके। नेक्स्ट बॉयज नेम।
मोहम्मद हसन मोहम्मद
Yes,
yes
Mama. The
ma'am
fourth question: eating a heavy dinner is good for the system. Agree or disagree?
disagree
Very good. We should have light dinner. Okay.
Yes,
Exercising
ma'am.
or playing sport. Next boy. Next boy. Next boy's
Rajani,
name.
Rajani.
Rajani, please. Exercising or playing a sport can be beneficial to us.
Yes, ma'am.
Exercising or playing a sport can be beneficial to us. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Very good. So you all know what is agree and what is disagree, so you can mark it in your textbook. Okay. Now, what is the story about? About what is the story about? Next question to goes to the next boy. Who's the next boy? Tell me the name of the next boy.
Nandi
Ruhan.
Raja, Nandi
Muhammad
Raja.
Raza. Muhammad Raza. What is the story about?
Nandi Raja.
Yes,
Nandi Raja.
please. Yes, Raja. Please say. Come on. What is the story about? The answer is there in the. What is the story about? Raza. What Raza? Please say the answer. What is the story about? Okay, who is going to answer next? Ruhan, tell me.
Muhammad Raza.
Muhammad Raza. Muhammad Raza.
Ravani.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
please tell me. What is the story about? See, the answer is there only on the screen. What is this story about? Come on, child. It is on the screen. Muhammad Raza, say the answer. Muhammad Raza, say the answer, please.
We
What is this story about? What is the story about? किसके बारे में है स्टोरी? हम्म?
well,
हाँ? What is the story about?
ma'am, मैं कह दूं
Yes, बोलो.
गुंडूराम.
Yes, it is a story about a boy who loved eating all the wrong things. Okay? It is written there, beta. This is a story about a young boy who loved eating all the wrong things. Okay? Now, so what is the meaning of gorging? Look at the meaning. Gorging. What is the meaning of gorging? Eating
Eating
greedily.
greedily.
Okay, okay. Then, what did Gundu love to eat? What did Gundu love to eat?
chocolate or
Hmm?
chip. Chocolate,
Chocolate ice cream.
बालाजी की chips. French fries, chocolate, cutlet,
Chocolate.
samosa,
Chocolate.
ice cream.
Ice cream.
Other delicious food. Okay.
French
French
fries,
fries, chocolates,
chocolate,
ice
ice
creams,
cream, samosa,
samosa.
Pizza.
cutlets,
Chocolate.
other delicious.
Okay,
Other
okay.
delicious.
So, was Gunduram's house beautiful? Was Gunduram's house beautiful? Was Gunduram's house beautiful?
Yes.
Yes, it was
Yes,
beautiful.
yes,
And what was
agree.
it was surrounded by? See the paragraph, it is there. It is surrounded by fields of green vegetables and juicy fruits. Okay, now one day his mother sends him to the garden, forcibly sends. And whom does he meet? Whom does he meet in the garden? I'm not showing the answer. Whom
Potatoes.
does he meet? Who? Yes, beta. Whom
Potatoes.
does he? Yes,
Potatoes.
beta. What?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
Potatoes, tomatoes,
आज के गार्डन में
potatoes,
जाकर चल लो।
Who is
मैं
that?
Potatoes,
तुम्हारी
tomatoes,
हेल्प
potatoes,
करती
No,
हूँ।
tomatoes,
no, no, no,
tomatoes,
potato, tomato.
no, no, no.
shakambari,
Yes, he means Shakambari. And who is Shakambari?
It's the one
Is the goddess of the
God
garden.
garden.
Goddess.
Goddess
God
of the
garden.
garden,
Okay. So,
garden,
okay, the Shakambari takes him to which first batch? Which was the first batch they go to? Which was the first patch they go
Gundura.
to?
tomatoes,
हाँ नहीं कौन सा पैच
tomatoes,
जाते हैं कौन सा वेजिटेबल्स के पास फर्स्ट जाते हैं फर्स्ट किसके पास जाते हैं बेटा
Pumpkin.
tomato,
टमाटो टमाटो पैचेस ओके नाउ टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑफ sluggish
tomato.
slow
Flow.
stem slow okay so you know when you're very slow your teacher will say come on boys write fast you are very sluggish
Yes,
okay
babe.
okay now what is the meaning of obese
क्या मैम? Really overweight.
obese obese extremely overweight means you can
Extremely
say that
overweight.
one boy in my class is obese okay or you can say one of my uncles is obese okay he was overweight
Yes, ma'am.
okay stamina what is the meaning of
Energy.
stamina
Energy.
Energy.
ah
Energy.
so doctors
energy,
okay so we
energy,
should drink milk to get energy okay now lethargic what is the meaning of lethargic
Lacking in energy
Lacking
and
in
lacking in
energy
energy
hesitation.
and hesitation,
very good. So you can say that after a full dinner, you know, I was feeling very lethargic. You know, I was having after a very sumptuous dinner, I was feeling very lethargic. That is, you feel so not energyless, but you don't feel like just doing anything. You feel like sitting. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
radiant. What is the meaning?
Glowing that brightly. Glowing
Glowing
brightly.
brightly. Okay. So Shakambari was glowing, you know, had a bright face. So you can say glowing brightly. Shakambari's face was glowing brightly. Now, what are grievances? Grievances,
Complaint.
complaint,
complaints.
Complaint.
complaint,
Okay. So next time, you know what, when you have some complaints, you say, "Sir, we have some grievances against this boy." Suppose you want to complain. So instead of complaint,
Yes, ma'am.
you learned a new word today that is grievances. Okay. Now, tell me, the potatoes. What are the vitamins you see in the potato? You get in the potato. What are the
Uh,
vitamins?
A, C,
What are the vitamins rich? What are the
AB.
tomatoes?
AB.
A, B, and C.
A, B, C,
Ha.
And what does it help us to avoid cough, cold, and many other problems? Okay. After the potatoes, after the tomatoes, which patch do they go to? Huh? Shakambari
somebody,
takes Shakambari takes
Pumpkin.
him. No.
pumpkin,
After the tomato, where do they go to? Which patch?
potato,
Potato.
Potatoes. Okay. Now, is
potato,
it good to eat fried potatoes? Is it good to eat fried potatoes?
Yes.
Yes, it is good
yes,
to eat fried potatoes.
No, no, ma'am.
yes,
No.
No,
no,
we
no,
should eat
no, no,
potatoes. How should we eat potatoes?
Fried.
No, 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 no
बफा
fry.
के फिर
right,
के
हाँ, so
कटिंग करके
okay, बफा के मत बोलना. You say boil and
Cook
bake.
करके मैम, cook करके.
हाँ, boil, bake, and even in gravies. We eat Punjabi food. There are
Yes,
gravies, so
ma'am.
you can eat in that, and you
Yeah,
can
boys.
eat as salads. Okay, salads is very good. So and then from potatoes they move on to which patch next? Which is the next patch? They move to
shakambari,
no Shakambari. Where does
Pumpkin.
Shakambari take
Pumpkin.
pumpkin? Okay,
pumpkin,
and what does
Yes,
pumpkin
ma'am.
help us to do? What does pumpkin help us to do? What does pumpkin? How does pumpkin help? Pumpkin has a lot of vitamins. And what does the juice of the pumpkin do? Helps to.
Healthy.
No, you see the paragraph. The pumpkin juice what? Cleans what? The
Stomach.
pumpkin juice cleans the stomach and throws out the bad fat. So it will help you to lose weight also and become healthy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So they visited all the vegetables, and now he was enjoying. Gundura began to eat boiled, baked, curried, and raw vegetables. Okay, he also ate chips and
Yes,
chocolates,
ma'am.
but it was in a very less amount. Okay, so he became
Yes.
healthy, and now he was mentally and physically healthy. Okay, now what is the name of the author? What is the name of the author?
Radhika Krishna Kumar.
Radhika
Yes,
Krishna Kumar.
very good, Radhika Krishna Kumar. Okay, now I think this lesson is over. Now we will do the, now what's the time? 9:30. So I think the lecture is over, isn't it? Lecture is over, beta.
Yes.
Yes or
Yes,
yes?
ma'am.
Okay, beta. So I will just wind up for today. Have a good day, all of y'all, and we will do the question answers. If possible, if Rohan sir has the PDF of question answers and everything, I'll send to you. Okay, all of y'all.
Yes, ma'am.
So goodbye and stay safe, all
Yes.
of y'all. Okay,
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
bye,
ma'am.
beta, bye,
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 ma'am. Bye, bye. Bye, bye.
Bye,
bye,
ma'am. Bye, bye.
bye, beta, bye, bye, bye,
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
bye, bye, beta,
Bye,
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 Bye.
bye, bye. Bye, bye,
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Good morning, Janab, ma'am.
Bye, 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 ma'am. Bye, ma'am.